Samsung has done it again. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is here, and it's packed with mind-blowing features that might just make it the best smartphone of 2025. We're talking about a stunning 6.9-inch AMOLED display, a groundbreaking 200MP AI-powered camera, the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and a massive 5,000 mAh battery. But is it really worth the hype? And here's the big question. Is it worth upgrading if you already have the S24 Ultra? Or should you hold off for the next big thing? In today's video, we're doing a full deep dive from to camera tests, gaming performance, battery life, and whether this phone justifies its hefty price tag of $1,200. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tech reviews. Now let's get started. Let's talk about the display and design. This 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display is Samsung's best yet, with a 1440 by 3120 resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 2,600 nits. Compared to last year's model, the bezels are thinner, making it feel even more immersive. Samsung has perfected its curved edge design without making it too slippery. So this is the phone with the best balance of curved and flat bright display. This is the time to check the S25 Ultra performance and gaming experience. Under the hood, we have the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is the latest processor in the market, and Samsung used this processor in the S series, paired with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. This is a beast of a smartphone, so great news for game lovers. You feel zero lag and frame drop. So thanks to the new Adreno GPU, ray tracing support makes games look incredible. Let's talk about the camera system, which is the same as the S24 Ultra. Packaged with a crazy 200MP camera. With AI-powered image processing, the details are insane. The new 50MP ultra-wide sensor captures incredible landscapes, and the dual telephoto lenses give you optical zoom up to 5x and 3x. If you talk about the low-light photography, the S25 Ultra is better than ever, producing bright, clear shots with natural colors. Samsung S25 Ultra packs in a 5,000 mAh battery, which is same as S24 Ultra and gives you a decent full day of use, even with heavy tasks. So for charging, it comes with 45W wired, 15W wireless, but still no super fast 100W charging like some competitors. Anyway, still works fine. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra introduces several enhancements over its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. In design and dimension, the S25 Ultra measures 162.8 by 77.6 by 8.2 millimeters and weighs 218 grams, making it slightly lighter and slimmer than the S24 Ultra, which is 162.3 by 79.0 by 8.6 millimeters and 233 grams. The S25 Ultra sports a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, whereas S24 Ultra comes in 6.8-inch display with the same resolution. The real game changer is the processor. The S25 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, built on a 3nm process, offering enhanced performance and efficiency over the S24 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. The S25 Ultra ships with One UI 7 based on Android 15, whereas the S24 Ultra runs One UI 6.1 on Android 14. Samsung has also enhanced AI capabilities in the S25 Ultra, offering more personalized and efficient user experiences. So the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers notable improvements in design, processing power, AI, camera capabilities, and software integration over the S24 Ultra. These enhancements provide a more refined and efficient user experience. So, should you buy the S25 Ultra? If you want the best Android flagship, yes. But if you already own an S24 Ultra, you might want to wait for discounts. That's it, guys, for today's review. Please like and subscribe for more tech reviews, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.